The world of finance is changing fast. At the heart of this revolution are smart contracts, self-executing agreements that promise to reshape industries. But building these digital contracts requires precision, security, and a whole lot of testing. Imagine a world where you could build these contracts with confidence, knowing that every line of code is bulletproof. That's where the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter comes in. This isn't just about code, it's about building the future. This video will be your guide to mastering the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter, a powerful tool designed to make your smart contract development journey smoother and more efficient. Smart contracts are the building blocks of a decentralized future, but they're also complex and unforgiving. Traditional development methods often fall short, leaving developers vulnerable to errors and costly mistakes. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter changes the game by embracing test-driven development, TDD. Test, code, repeat. It's a simple formula for success. This approach ensures that every aspect of your contract is thoroughly tested before deployment. With the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter, you're not just writing code, you're building a secure and reliable foundation for your decentralized applications. Smart contracts are the cornerstones of a new era of digital agreements. They offer transparency, automation, and efficiency, but they also come with a unique set of challenges. Unlike traditional software, once a smart contract is deployed to a blockchain, it's virtually impossible to alter. This immutability, while a strength, also raises the stakes significantly. A single error in your code could have devastating consequences. Financial losses, security breaches, and even the complete failure of your project are all possibilities if proper care isn't taken during the development process. It's not just about getting the code right, it's about ensuring it's airtight and resilient to any potential vulnerabilities. Traditional software development methodologies often fall short in this high-stakes environment. Debugging on a live blockchain is complex, expensive, and in most cases, impossible. That's why a robust testing environment is not just desirable, it's essential. This is where the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter steps in, providing a safety net for developers navigating the intricate world of smart contract development. Traditional testing methods are like navigating a minefield blindfolded when it comes to smart contracts. These methods often involve manual deployment to test networks or reliance on limited testing tools that don't fully capture the complexities of blockchain interactions. This can lead to a false sense of security, as hidden vulnerabilities may remain undetected until it's too late. The iterative nature of traditional testing can be time-consuming and inefficient in the context of smart contract development. Each code change might require redeployment and retesting, slowing down the development process and increasing the likelihood of errors slipping through the cracks. This is especially problematic given the immutable nature of smart contracts once deployed. Imagine spending weeks developing a complex smart contract only to discover a critical flaw after its deployment. This nightmare scenario is a very real possibility when relying on traditional testing methods that lack the robustness and foresight needed for this unique development landscape. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter offers a way out of this predicament. By embracing test-driven development, TDD, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter provides a structured and comprehensive approach to testing. It allows developers to anticipate potential issues early on, leading to more robust and reliable smart contracts. At the heart of the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter lies a powerful combination Node.js and Vitest. Node.js, the ubiquitous JavaScript runtime environment, provides the foundation for this development powerhouse, enabling developers to build fast and scalable applications. Coupled with Vitest, a blazingly fast unit test runner, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter offers a development experience that is both efficient and enjoyable. But it's not just about speed, it's about creating a seamless and intuitive workflow. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter leverages the familiarity and versatility of JavaScript, allowing developers to dive straight into building smart contracts without the steep learning curve often associated with new languages or frameworks. This focus on accessibility ensures that developers can focus on what truly matters: crafting secure and reliable smart contracts. Node.js's asynchronous nature is particularly well suited for the world of blockchain and smart contracts. It allows developers to handle multiple operations concurrently, mirroring the distributed and often unpredictable nature of blockchain networks. This synergy ensures that the Signum SmartC Testbed starter can keep pace with the demands of modern smart contract development, providing a responsive and efficient testing environment. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain developer or just starting your journey, the Signum SmartC Testbed starter provides a familiar and powerful environment to hone your skills. Its reliance on Node.js and Vitest ensures a smooth and productive development experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most: building the future of decentralized applications. Imagine having an entire blockchain at your fingertips, ready to execute your smart contracts in a safe and controlled environment. That's precisely what the SmartC simulator, a core component of the Signum SmartC Testbed starter, offers. This powerful tool allows you to deploy, test, and debug your contracts without incurring any real-world costs or risks. The SmartC simulator acts as your personal blockchain sandbox, allowing you to experiment with different scenarios and edge cases that would be too risky or expensive to test on a live network. This isolated environment provides complete control over every aspect of the blockchain, enabling you to fine-tune parameters, manipulate time, and simulate a wide range of network conditions. Debugging smart contracts can be a daunting task, but the SmartC simulator simplifies this process significantly. It provides comprehensive debugging tools that allow you to step through your code, inspect variables, and identify issues with ease. This level of insight is invaluable in understanding how your contracts behave under different circumstances, leading to more robust and reliable code. With the SmartC simulator, you can say goodbye to the anxiety and uncertainty often associated with smart contract development. It empowers you to test every aspect of your contracts thoroughly, ensuring that they are secure, efficient, and ready to tackle the challenges of the decentralized world. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter isn't just about providing tools. It's about promoting a development philosophy that prioritizes quality and reliability. This philosophy is embodied by test-driven development, TDD, a methodology that places testing at the forefront of the development process. Instead of writing code first and then figuring out how to test it, TDD encourages developers to write tests before a single line of application code is written. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but it's a game changer for smart contract development. By defining the desired behavior of your contract through tests before you even start coding, you gain a crystal clear understanding of the problem you're trying to solve. This leads to more focused development, reduces the likelihood of introducing bugs, and ultimately results in more robust and maintainable code. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter provides all the tools you need to embrace TDD effectively. Its integration with Vitest, a fast and intuitive testing framework, makes writing and running tests a breeze. With every passing test, you gain a growing sense of confidence in your code, knowing that it meets the specifications you've defined. In the world of smart contracts, where security and reliability are paramount, TDD is not just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter empowers you to adopt this methodology, ensuring that your smart contracts are built on a solid foundation of tests, giving you the confidence to deploy them to the world. Before you can dive into the exciting world of smart contract development with the Signum SmartC Testbed starter, you need to set up your development environment. The first step on this journey is installing Node.js, a powerful JavaScript runtime environment that forms the backbone of countless applications, including the Signum SmartC Testbed starter. Think of Node.js as the engine that powers our testing platform, enabling it to execute JavaScript code and interact with the blockchain. Installing Node.js is a breeze thanks to its straightforward installation process. Simply head over to the official Node.js website, download the installer for your operating system, and follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through the process, ensuring that Node.js is seamlessly integrated into your system. Once Node.js is installed, you can verify its presence by opening your command prompt or terminal and typing Node v. This will display the version of Node.js installed on your system, confirming that everything is set up correctly. With Node.js in place, you're one step closer to unlocking the potential of the Signum SmartC Testbed starter. This simple yet crucial step lays the foundation for your smart contract development journey, paving the way for efficient testing, seamless execution, and ultimately, the creation of secure and reliable decentralized applications. So what are you waiting for? Install Node.js today and embark on your path to becoming a smart contract master. With Node.js installed, it's time to set the stage for your smart contract development adventures by creating a dedicated development environment. This organized workspace will house your project files, code editor, and all the tools you need to bring your smart contract visions to life. Think of it as your personal coding sanctuary, where creativity and innovation can flourish without distractions. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter provides a convenient starting point for your project. You can easily clone the starter repository from GitHub using your preferred Git client, or by downloading the project files directly. Once you have the project files on your local machine, navigate to the project directory using your command prompt or terminal. Now it's time to bring in the essential tools and libraries that will power your development workflow. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter relies on several dependencies, which are neatly listed in the project's package JSON file. To install these dependencies, simply run the command npm install in your terminal. This will automatically fetch and install all the required packages, ensuring that you have everything you need to start building and testing your smart contracts. With your development environment set up and dependencies installed, you're ready to open the project in your favorite code editor. Choose the editor that best suits your preferences and coding style, whether it's Visual Studio Code, Atom, Sublime Text, or any other editor that empowers you to write clean and efficient code. Now, the real fun begins. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of tests designed to ensure that your smart contracts function as expected. These tests act as your safety net, catching potential errors and vulnerabilities before they can wreak havoc on your decentralized applications. Running these tests is as simple as typing npm test in your terminal and hitting enter. This single command unleashes the power of Vitest, the lightning-fast test runner that underpins the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter. As Vitest diligently executes each test, you'll be presented with a live report in your terminal, providing a clear and concise overview of the testing process. Green check marks indicate passing tests, while red crosses highlight areas that require attention. This instant feedback loop is invaluable in identifying and addressing issues early on, ensuring that your development process remains efficient and error-free. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter empowers you to take control of your testing environment. You can choose to run individual tests, focus on specific modules, or execute the entire test suite, depending on your needs. This flexibility allows you to tailor your testing strategy to your specific development workflow, ensuring that you're always in the driver's seat. With the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter, testing is not an afterthought. It's an integral part of the development process. By embracing the power of automated testing, you can build smart contracts with confidence, knowing that they are thoroughly vetted and ready to tackle the challenges of the decentralized world. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter isn't just a theoretical tool. It's already making waves in the real world, empowering developers to build and deploy secure smart contracts for a wide range of applications. From decentralized finance protocols to supply chain management systems, the impact of this testing platform is being felt across industries. Imagine a world where financial transactions are executed with unparalleled transparency and efficiency, thanks to thoroughly tested smart contracts that eliminate the need for intermediaries. One of the key areas where the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter shines is in the development of decentralized applications, or dApps. These applications, built on blockchain technology, rely heavily on smart contracts to enforce agreements and automate processes. By providing a robust testing environment, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter enables developers to create dApps that are not only functional but also secure and reliable, instilling confidence in users and fostering wider adoption of this transformative technology. In the realm of supply chain management, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is playing a crucial role in bringing transparency and accountability to complex global networks. By leveraging smart contracts to track the movement of goods from origin to destination, businesses can ensure authenticity, reduce fraud, and optimize their operations. The rigorous testing capabilities of the Signum SmartC Testbed starter provide the assurance that these contracts are watertight, protecting businesses and consumers alike. These are just a few examples of how the Signum SmartC Testbed starter is being used to build real-world solutions that are changing the way we interact and transact. As the adoption of blockchain technology continues to grow, the importance of robust testing tools like the Signum SmartC Testbed starter will only become more pronounced, ensuring that the decentralized future we're building is secure, reliable, and accessible to all. Beyond its real-world applications, the Signum SmartC Testbed starter is also transforming the way developers work, streamlining workflows, and fostering collaboration within development teams. Gone are the days of tedious manual testing and endless debugging cycles. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter empowers developers to work smarter, not harder, freeing up valuable time and resources to focus on innovation and creativity. Imagine a development process where bugs are caught early, code is automatically tested, and deployments are smooth and predictable. One of the key ways the Signum SmartC Testbed starter achieves this is by promoting test-driven development, or TDD. This methodology, as we've explored, encourages developers to write tests before writing code, ensuring that every line of code serves a specific purpose and meets predefined criteria. This proactive approach not only reduces errors but also improves the overall quality and maintainability of the code base, making it easier for teams to collaborate and build upon each other's work. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter's integration with popular development tools like Vitest further enhances this collaborative workflow. With features like automated test execution, detailed test reports, and seamless integration with version control systems, developers can work together seamlessly, tracking progress, identifying issues, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This streamlined development experience not only benefits individual developers, but also translates into tangible benefits for organizations. By reducing development time, minimizing errors, and improving the overall quality of their smart contracts, businesses can bring their products and services to market faster, gain a competitive edge, and unlock the full potential of blockchain technology. In the high-stakes world of smart contract development, where a single error can have significant financial and reputational consequences, confidence and risk mitigation are paramount. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter addresses these critical needs by providing a safe and controlled environment for developers to experiment, test, and refine their contracts before deploying them to the live blockchain. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your smart contracts have been rigorously tested and are resilient to potential vulnerabilities. One of the key ways the Signum SmartC Testbed starter boosts confidence is by enabling developers to simulate a wide range of scenarios and edge cases. This allows them to anticipate potential issues, identify vulnerabilities, and ensure that their contracts behave as expected under various conditions. By catching errors early in the development process, developers can avoid costly and time-consuming fixes down the line. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter's comprehensive testing capabilities also play a crucial role in risk mitigation. By thoroughly testing every aspect of their contracts, developers can minimize the likelihood of unforeseen issues arising once the contracts are deployed to the live blockchain. This reduces the risk of financial losses, security breaches, and reputational damage, giving businesses the confidence to embrace blockchain technology and unlock its full potential. The Signum SmartC Testbed starter empowers developers to build trust into every line of code. By providing a robust and reliable testing environment, it fosters a culture of quality and security, ensuring that smart contracts are not only functional but also resilient, trustworthy, and ready to power the decentralized future. As the blockchain ecosystem continues to evolve at a rapid pace, the Signum SmartC Testbed starter is positioned to play an increasingly vital role in shaping the future of smart contract development. With its focus on accessibility, efficiency, and security, the Signum SmartC Testbed starter empowers developers of all skill levels to confidently navigate the complexities of this transformative technology and build the decentralized applications of tomorrow. Imagine a future where creating secure and reliable smart contracts is as commonplace as building traditional software applications. One of the key areas where the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is expected to make significant strides is in the realm of developer education and onboarding. By providing a user-friendly and intuitive environment for learning and experimenting with smart contracts, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter can help to bridge the skills gap and empower a new generation of blockchain developers to bring their ideas to life. This, in turn, will lead to a more vibrant and innovative blockchain ecosystem. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is also expected to play a key role in driving the adoption of advanced smart contract development practices, such as formal verification and automated security auditing. By integrating these cutting-edge techniques into its testing framework, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter can further enhance the security and reliability of smart contracts, paving the way for their use in even more critical and sensitive applications. The future of smart contract development is bright, and the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is leading the charge. By providing developers with the tools and resources they need to build secure, efficient, and reliable smart contracts, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is helping to unlock the full potential of blockchain technology and shape a more decentralized, transparent, and equitable future for all. The world of blockchain technology is in constant flux, with new innovations and advancements emerging at a breakneck pace. To stay ahead of the curve, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is committed to evolving alongside this dynamic ecosystem, ensuring that developers always have access to the latest tools and resources they need to build cutting-edge, decentralized applications. Imagine a testing platform that adapts as quickly as the technology itself, seamlessly integrating new features and functionalities to keep pace with the ever-changing demands of the blockchain industry. One of the key areas of focus for the future of the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is interoperability. As new blockchain platforms emerge and existing ones evolve, the ability to seamlessly integrate and interact with different chains will be crucial for developers building decentralized applications with real-world utility. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is actively exploring ways to support a wide range of blockchain ecosystems, enabling developers to test and deploy their smart contracts across multiple chains with ease. Another area of future development for the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is the integration of advanced testing methodologies and tools. As smart contracts become more complex, and the stakes associated with their deployment continue to rise, the need for rigorous and comprehensive testing will only become more critical. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is actively exploring the integration of formal verification techniques, automated security auditing tools, and other cutting-edge testing methodologies to provide developers with the highest level of confidence in their smart contracts. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing the latest advancements in blockchain technology, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is committed to empowering developers to push the boundaries of what's possible with smart contracts, driving innovation and shaping the decentralized future we envision. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is more than just a testing platform. It's a comprehensive toolkit designed to support every stage of the smart contract development lifecycle. To further empower developers and streamline their workflows, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is constantly exploring new features and functionalities that enhance its capabilities and make it even easier for developers to build, test, and deploy secure and reliable smart contracts. Imagine a development environment where every tool you need is at your fingertips, seamlessly integrated and ready to use. One area of expansion for the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is the integration of advanced debugging and analysis tools. While the SmartC simulator already provides a robust environment for debugging smart contracts, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter aims to go even further, providing developers with real-time insights into their contract's execution, gas consumption, and overall performance. These advanced tools will enable developers to identify and address bottlenecks, optimize their code for efficiency, and gain a deeper understanding of how their smart contracts behave under different conditions. Another area of focus for the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is the development of tools and resources that simplify the deployment process. Deploying smart contracts to a live blockchain can be a daunting task, especially for newcomers to the space. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter aims to demystify this process by providing developers with intuitive tools that guide them through each step, from choosing the right network and configuring their deployment parameters to monitoring the status of their deployment and interacting with their deployed contracts. By continuously expanding its toolkit and providing developers with the most advanced and user-friendly tools available, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter aims to lower the barrier to entry for aspiring blockchain developers and empower them to bring their innovative ideas to life. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is more than just a software project. It's a thriving community of developers, enthusiasts, and innovators united by a shared passion for blockchain technology and the potential of smart contracts. To foster this community and empower its members to achieve great things, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is committed to creating a welcoming and inclusive environment where developers of all skill levels can connect, collaborate, and learn from one another. Imagine a global network of like-minded individuals, all working together to build the decentralized future we envision. One of the key ways the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is empowering its community is through comprehensive documentation and educational resources. From detailed tutorials and how-to guides to in-depth explanations of smart contract concepts and best practices, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter provides developers with all the information they need to get started with the platform and build their skills. These resources are constantly being updated and expanded based on community feedback, ensuring that developers always have access to the most relevant and up-to-date information. In addition to online resources, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter team is also actively involved in organizing and participating in workshops, meetups, and hackathons around the world. These events provide opportunities for developers to connect with one another in person, share their knowledge, collaborate on projects, and learn from experienced mentors. By fostering these connections and creating a supportive environment for learning and growth, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is helping to cultivate a new generation of blockchain developers who will shape the future of this transformative technology. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter believes that the future of blockchain technology depends on the collective efforts of a passionate and engaged community. By empowering developers, fostering collaboration, and providing the resources and support they need to succeed, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is helping to build a brighter future for the decentralized world. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is more than just a set of tools. It's a gateway to a new era of secure and efficient smart contract development. As we've explored throughout this video, this powerful platform empowers developers of all levels to embrace the complexities of blockchain technology and build the decentralized applications of tomorrow. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain veteran or just starting your journey into this exciting world, the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter provides the resources and support you need to succeed. By embracing test-driven development, TDD, leveraging the power of the SmartC simulator, and tapping into the vibrant Signum community, you can navigate the challenges of smart contract development with confidence. The Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is your trusted companion, guiding you every step of the way as you bring your innovative ideas to life. The future of blockchain technology is being written today, and the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter is putting the pen in your hand. Join the movement, embrace the power of this revolutionary platform, and let's build a more decentralized, transparent, and equitable future together. Start building your smart contract legacy today with the Signum SmartC Testbed Starter.